Hello, friends. Welcome to the world of prosperity and welcome to yet another episode of weekly review of Pulse of the stock market. In this review, generally, we see how the primary index performed in the previous week and what we can expect in the upcoming week, right? So let's review it. And last week was a very, very interesting week because the finance budget was announced on Tuesday, and we saw again a lot of up and down movements. So let's see how let's maybe interpret this. So before we go to the let's go to the actual disclaimer. The disclaimer is a standard SEBI, disclosure that this video is primarily for educational purposes, and we are not the SEBI registered investment advisor. So please read through the entire disclaimer and do your own research before taking the final, investment decision. Right? Please read through the uh, disclaimer. Now let's move on to the trading view and see how the various indexes are working. So the first index we generally see the Nifty, which is the large cap index. If you see, the this Friday and the last Friday, the last Friday was very jittery, right? And everybody was, wondering what exactly has happened before the budget week. But now, once the budget is out, we can see the budget has come on Tuesday, which is this candle, and see the total movement. And the last Friday movement was really jittery in the sense it has given a lot of trouble. But once the budget is out, we can actually interpret how it has, performed. And if we see this Friday, it has almost recovered the entire lost ground, you can say. So it is almost touching the same all-time high level, right? So we feel this, the large cap index, the Nifty 50 is in a good trend, and we can hope, the selective, say, stocks to perform well. Of course, we won't say the entire index, but yes, in pockets, it is, it's a good trend. Also, if you see the last week candle, now we can actually interpret, like, maybe, some people either did a smart, decision, or maybe they have some insider information that they have cleared off their, say, they book their gains with the understanding that there is very good possibility of, the revised tax, structure for the capital gains, like removal of indexation and changes in the tax rate. So what they have done is on Friday, they booked the entire capital gains. So they are able to do it at the old rates. But on budget day, I guess it is, effective. It is with immediate effect, like the revision, right? So that is the reason, for the larger movement on Friday. But as far as the trend goes, we presume it is in a good trend, and we can see good movement in the upcoming weeks. So let's see how the mid cap index is behaving. The structure was remain the same. Like if you see the last Friday, you know, most of the people, I think, they book the gains with the understanding either pre-budget they just want to clear off, or take a fresh position. But if you see, uh, the entire, the week downfall till last Friday, it has recovered, right? So it is almost again going back to the, all-time high territory. So maybe next week, again, we can presume it is in a good trend and recover the lost ground, right? If we see the small cap, you know, the small cap index is slightly lagging behind, because if you see the last Friday, it touched almost what 18, say 367, and in last 5 days, though it has recovered till say the Friday candle, but still it is lagging behind, and you can say it is, it will recover in coming time, but we need to wait and watch as far as the small cap index. So primarily the major action we feel is in the large cap and the mid cap. Of course, we can observe it how it went in the coming week, right? But we feel the trajectory will remain the same, but still it is lagging behind as compared to the large cap and the mid cap index. And if you see the comfort of the volatility index, we generally see the India VX index. And if you see, only on the budget day there was very wider movement, so this shows the tension on that particular day. But otherwise the tension has been diluted, and if you see, it is again hovering in again a lower range, which shows that the overall situation is very comfortable and positive as far as the India theory is concerned, right? So that's all for this week, and I hope we have a good investing journey in not only in the coming week but in the months and years ahead, as long as the overall trend goes fine. We will prepare a video for especially for the budget, how to interpret it. But overall we feel budget was an event and it is over now, and the market is back on its trend or upcoming rising trend trajectory, right? So I hope these things are insightful for your investing journey. Some people, they ask me, what is the, you can say, the purpose of this trend analysis. This gives you the overall insight of the market, because many times you will feel it is only for the traders, but believe me, it is very, very important to understand how the overall market is moving. So one must understand, how it is to be interpreted. So watch out for my next videos, especially on the budget and maybe some other insight, stories. Till then, take care. Thank you. Goodbye. And also, in case you want to learn more about this and you want to have more insights about investing skills and money management, follow my hashtag Sunil Gupta 95, and the details are there in the detail part of this video, and the links are given below the video. Please watch out for my next video. Thank you.